here. I snaked this about a year ago, would you say?
Yeah, I would say.
About a year ago. It's just full of grease. I said it was gonna back up again, and it's backing up today, so we're gonna hydrojet it. The issue we're having is this isn't fitting underneath. This is copper DWV. So I'm gonna have to take off this entire thing and pull it out. You have one?
Yeah.
Yeah, please, thanks. It is what it is. I literally can't help myself. But I had a friend telling me last night, okay, here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. This is probably pretty clear. I'm just trying to get as much black water out of there as I can. So, does she have any kids or no?
No. That's it. That's the problem. You know, once they start turning 30, and their friends are having kids, girlfriends, that's when you can start kind of
Right.
pressure.
Right. She hasn't. You haven't felt any pressure? A little bit.
Indirectly, you know, she's
Yeah.
curious, you know.